woke up this morning and you heard the thunder and the storms and thought Godzilla was outside of your house and you said, oh, this is a great day for the Spook show, right? And then the sun came out and all those whiny kids were talking about going out to play and getting vitamin D and all this sports stuff. And it's a good thing that we have good, responsible parents here that decided to listen to their inner child and come here instead. Yes. Who needs sunshine? Not the wolf man. No. The wolf man, he needs lots of moonshine.
Oh, wait. I don't know.
Oh, maybe the hillbilly werewolf from Alabama. I don't know. We don't talk about him. He's the uncle you don't talk about.
You know, Professor, we've been doing a lot of research on werewolves. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
It's true. And you just won't believe it. We've found them so many occurrences in popular culture and in history. We have, look at this found footage. We really have it.
Found footage? You mean this is footage you found?
What
do you mean? Wow.
I can afford these pieces of furniture.
Whoa, look at that. $200 for a living room.
Inflation.
They need to put werewolves back in the furniture market.
That's a...
Oh! He just admitted it! What? Another wolfman.
You're gonna love the recycled classified. Take it from both mankind. Hey, man, that's
There he is again. Look at them, they're howling in public. They don't even, they're not ashamed.
Did that come naturally, or did you just gargle with razor blades, or what?
Well, I tell you, it was when my mama stopped dressing me in little girl's clothes. My voice really changed, but now I just sleep with my beard in my mouth.
Whoa, what's this? Oh, no. Oh, look. A TV commercial. Oh! Mercedes-Benz is even using... Oh, there he is. That's for the Wolfman. Unashamed, unabashedly.
That's right. We just couldn't believe it. We just had to share it.
Well, you guys, all you humans out there might not know this. Werewolves are everywhere.
No.
That was a cue. Werewolves are everywhere. It's Wretch! Oh, Wretch! My favorite old buddy, how you doing?
Good to see you, boss.
Oh, it's great. What do you got here, Wretch?
Well, boss, you always said that my family had gone to the dogs. Well, you were correct. Let me introduce you to my favorite family member. Oh, yes. He's so funny, he'll have you howling all night. He's the flea's knees, and he's one dope lycanthrope. Please welcome Uncle Wolfie.
What do you got to say for yourself, Uncle Wolf?
Oh, no, this will not do. Not a damn bit of it. You listen here. The only good werewolf is a dead werewolf. Oh, I go far and wide making sure that werewolves do not spread the lycanthropy upon our delicate, beautiful children, turning them into werewolves themselves, so they can be innocent children like they're supposed to be. No werewolves ever! Death to the werewolves.
What?
Do you hear me?
No, he can't be serious.
Look at him! Oh, look at him! Run like the beast you are!
What?
Get out of here, boy!
Oh, this is serious.
Oh my goodness, Uncle Wolfie! My family tree just broke!
Rich, I think your family tree was growing sideways from the start. Oh no, this is terrible. Run out of the Spook show for being a werewolf. This show has just hit a new low. Just wait, it gets better. Oh, Wretch, what are we gonna do about this? So many people in the world don't understand the plight of the werewolf. It's a good thing that Zordak has been working very hard all week. And he has turned the Plaza Theater into a time machine. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Are you ready to travel through time and space? Are you sure? Because the Plaza Theater is now a time machine. Okay, Reg, are you ready to travel? Last time we went through time, we almost got eaten by dinosaurs.
Oh, absolutely, Bullis, absolutely.
Wonder what will happen when we travel through time this time. Here we go. Are you ready? Hold on to your seats, kids. Because we are going through time. Oh, here goes. Excellent! Okay. We have traveled through time and space. The music is playing, the lights are out.
Time and space.
Wrong song. Okay,
Different space.
Oh wait, we've traveled too far. But guess what? This gives us a chance to get educational today. I know you kids are out of school for spring break, but we're gonna take you to ghoul school today. We're going to show you the history of the movies. Did movies start in Hollywood? No. Movies started in the caves. The oldest form of entertainment was the Spook show, and it happened in a cave. Now, you might say I'm crazy, and you'd be right. But the old horror host was actually a horror hostess. There she is now. She would come out into the cave wearing scary makeup just like somebody you know. And she would use what we use to put on makeup called a scare brush. And she would spray paintings on the walls of the cave. Yes, the first art tool was the airbrush. Show them how it's done, shaman. Kind of like that. It worked better. Oh, and these paintings. Ooh, look, these paintings. They would show stories of the hunt. And sometimes, because it was a spook show, it would get violent. Oh, there weren't many vegans back then. It's okay, we love children, they're delicious. Delightful. Children in the caves would wonder at the stories that the shaman would tell with the airbrush painting, strange paintings on the wall. Stories of heroes and beasts. Man and beast. There it is. Manimals. And sometimes, when the moon was full, man would turn to beast, and beast would turn to man, and the spirits were loose in the cave everywhere. And you'd have to be careful, because there were ghosts loose in the cave. Yes, they believed in spirits. The spirits were loose in the cave. Oh, spirits were everywhere. spirits were everywhere. They believed in that stuff back then. Oh! And you believe in it now, don't you? Because it's right in front of you. Oh boy. Sometimes these stories, they got so scary. It was the story of the hero of the cave. And maybe the story of your mother. There she is. They look really nice under the light of the sun's rays. But what would happen every month when the moon is full and they change?
It's that time of month.
Our favorite time of month, when the moon is full and the creatures are loose. They're loose in the theater right now. There's one under your seat. Okay. And then we left the cave. And the cave turned into a movie theater eventually, where we had horror hosts telling the same stories of transformation from man to beast. And it was called the Spook Show. BC. And now, come on, education's fun. These people are learning stuff. That was all true. Oh, Wretch, look, it's rough traveling through space and time. Let's turn the lights on. I'm scared. That was a scary story. Oh, good googly oogly moo. It was weird back then. Oh, really weird. But what could happen if we started to meet some of the historical werewolves of history?
Absolutely, boss.
Let's see who we got first. Excellent! The first one up. Who is this? Oh, we've gone back in time. Everybody thought she was from France. She's Polish. Hello. Hello. I'm Marie Curie. It's Marie Curie.
Curry out.
Yes, this is a real person from history. You can tell all your science teachers about this when you get back from spring break. Mrs. Curie, what did you discover?
Oh, I discovered radioactivity. Ooh, radioactivity, the original glow up.
Whoa, you know what that means. Without Madame Curie, there'd be no Godzilla. Science is important.
That's right.
So, how did being a werewolf help you with science?
Wow. You turn into beasts.
Yes, I'm seeing him turn into a beast. Her turning into a beast right now. Oh, there, Marie Curie. Oh, werewolves are fantastic, don't you think, children? They are absolutely fantastic. Okay, let's go back in history again. Excellent! Here we are. Another time in history. And who do we have here?
I am Benjamin Franklin, obviously. Noted polymath, writer, inventor, braggart, and a werewolf.
Okay, Benjamin Franklin was a werewolf.
It turns out, when you fly a kite in a thunderstorm with a full moon, it gets hairy.
Wow, did you guys know that? Benjamin Franklin discovered electricity. And without electricity, we wouldn't have Frankenstein. Right? Or at least Frankenstein movies. Right? What, you guys don't want electricity all of a sudden? We'd be sitting here in the dark with a fire listening to the shaman tell the Spook Show story. Without black lights, that puppet show would have really sucked. Okay. So Benjamin Franklin. How did being a werewolf help you be a better scientist?
Well, I was able to stay out late at night, eat a lot of meat, and people weren't suspicious when they found 10 dead bodies in my basement.
We were gonna save that joke for the night show. Okay. You kids, you're not listening to anything anyway. So here we go. Let's travel back in time and see what werewolf we meet next. Excellent! Okay, here we go. Who could this be?
I'm freaking Growlo, baby.
Oh, wow. Did you guys know Frida Kahlo, the queen of the fine art world, was a werewolf?
Definitely. I was once married to a little man named Diego. He was very gristly going down.
Well, I'll tell you what. Nobody talks about Diego anymore. The history books have changed. It's all about you, Frida Kahlo.
It's all about me, baby.
It's all about Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo, right?
Indeed.
Oh, so what are you painting mostly these days?
Well, I'm still painting flowers, but they're flowers that actually look like flowers, not like those Georgia O'Keeffe flowers that look like something else.
For some reason, these werewolves think it's the 10:30 show. So, okay, we're gonna need a muzzle for these werewolves. Okay, thank you, Frida. Let's travel through space again. Time and space. Let's do it, Reg, quickly. With censorship. Okay. Excellent! Here we are again. Through time and space. I wonder who's next. Oh, there can only be one.
There can only be one. One Abraham Lincoln.
Whoa.
That's right.
Honest name.
It is I. 407 full moons ago, I became the first American werewolf. That's right. You heard it from the babe's mouth. Abra babe. Why don't you howl with me, werewolves? That's right, that's exactly how it was when I did it originally.
Yes. Isn't history exciting when you're learning the true history? I really do hope you children are paying close attention to this show because
There's a pop quiz after.
The school books you're reading, they're not telling you the truth, especially the ones in Florida. You guys gotta look out for that stuff. We're teaching you the real education here today. I'm glad this is working out. Even on spring break, you're learning. It's important. Oh, what's this?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Hi, I'm John Wilkes Booth.
Oh no.
So nice running into you all at a theater.
No.
Of course we're at a theater. Johnny boy, you know, we don't have a great past.
I'm just about to tell them what I am famous for. I discovered a way to shake up the nation. And we're revisiting that tonight.
That's right, because in the Spook show, we fight!
Monsters fight!
Guaranteed monster fight every show!
And there they go. It's a monster fight. At every show. Oh, Reg, I gotta tell you, this is great. I'm learning a lot, but the pasture is kind of scary. I want to get back to the future.
Absolutely.
We got a show to put on.
Yes, we do. And we gotta check on old Uncle Wolfie.
Oh, that's true. Are you guys ready to go back to the future? Yeah. Okay, everybody hold on to your seats. Here we go. Say it with me. Excellent. Oh, wow. How about that? Oh, yeah. Special effects are great. Okay, here we go. Do you guys feel any older? Me neither. Oh, I tell you what, that sure was something. It's great to see history played out correctly. You know, you go through a time machine and get to see it happen for real. It's really wonderful. But I'm really glad that we're back here and we're safe in an enlightened age. Right? Oh, Reg, what's wrong? Reg, what's wrong? Oh. Reg! You're a werewolf!
Oh yeah, boss. How didn't you notice? I was always tinkling on those fire hydrants. Oh!
Wow, Reg, you do make a cute little puppy. Oh, no!
I am going to stop this. I'm going to stop this right now. Because by Tennessee law, you've committed at least 6 felonies! Men dressing as women, women dressing as men, humans dressing as wolves. It's too much! I promise you it's too much. And listen here. You, Wolfman, and you, Reg, look at the puppy dog eyes on these two. What can I say? Hit it, Maestro. There's a transformation happening in me. As I gaze into that full moon, swollen with its beauty, and I think to myself, have I been wrong? Have I done something poor to my wolfen kind? Because, wait a minute, this is gonna...
So just imagine you're not seeing this right now. Just keep playing music. This is the time to close your eyes and use your imagination.
The string broke. I too am a werewolf! I apologize to all wolfenkind for my terrible... Wait a minute. The string got my mouth.
Who does he think he is, Wolfman Jack?
I apologize to all my brother wolfmen, wolfmen and wolfwomen, and wolfmen women, and they and them, and those, and wolfsons, and I promise from here on to be an ally to each and every one of you.
Hey, all right. Wolfmen, werewolves, they're real.
How, where, why, and werewolves? Hey, let's go to Trader Vic's. I'll buy you a bar top. I don't drink like that. I drink pina colada.
Pina coladas! Oh, yes, werewolves are everywhere. How about that? Are you guys afraid of werewolves? You're not? What if a werewolf was to smell you out right now and put the bite on you? Then you might be very afraid. Werewolves are scary. I don't know if you guys can stand it. Are you ready for the Wolfman on the big screen? Okay, here we go. Did you guys realize what today is? It's April Fool's Day.
I believe it's Violet's birthday.
Yes, we've got some birthdays in the crowd today, right? So do you know whose birthday is today? My favorite actor of all time, Lon Chaney Sr. So, we wanted to show a Lon Chaney Sr. movie today, but we didn't think you guys could sit through a silent film. Could you do that?
Yes.
You think the children would stay still long enough to see it?
This is what a Lon Chaney Sr. Wolfman would sound like.
Yes, the whole movie sounds just like that. But instead, we decided to show the greatest movie that his son ever made. Lon Chaney Jr. lives again on the big screen as the Wolfman. Can your heart stand the terror when the Wolfman gets loose? How many people have never seen this movie before? Oh, wow. You guys are in for a big treat. Because the Wolfman...
It's going to put hair on your eyeballs.
It'll put hair on your eyeballs. So I'll tell you what. The Wolfman restarted the whole Universal Studios monster craze all over again. Universal Studios monsters the longest running movie franchise of all time. So how many of you guys were here a couple months ago when we did King Kong? There was a line around the building, like today, for a movie almost 100 years old. What movies this old are people still watching with reverence today? Only these. Only these. And that's the way it will be forever, because these movies will live on forever. And you will see why, because this is not just a horror movie, no! This is a fantasy tale for the ages. And the writer knew exactly what he was doing when he imbued this movie with all the power of a mythic fairy tale. Yes, so many people believe that the famous poem is actually an ancient poem. No, it was written by Kurt Siodmak just for this movie. He had to come up with the rules of werewolfery, even though the Greeks had been playing werewolves for years. Kurt Siodmak was the first to lay down the rules with the silver bullets and the full moon shining, which you won't see a full moon in this movie, you guys. I know you were hoping for that, but it's not that kind of movie. But Kurt Siodmak knew a thing or two about a person being branded with an occult symbol and having to pay for the curse because he escaped Nazi Germany to make this movie. Where werewolves were real. So I hope tonight, as you lay in bed and think about this movie that you watched today in the safety of a theater, surrounded by your friends and your families. I hope as you lay in bed and the moon is out, that as you fall asleep, you dream a dream, and that dream is a nightmare! All right, thank you very much, Silver Screen Spook Show fanatics. We hope to see you all at the next Silver Screen Spook Show, when we're gonna show Revenge of the Creature from the Black Lagoon. All right, enjoy the show. See you in 2 months. Keep the dream alive. Plaza Theater. We love you all.